In this video, I am going to tell you how to activate LG Channels app on LG TV. So for this, you need to go to the home button from your remote, and then you need to go to LG Content Store. So LG Channels also provides an application which you can install and which you can use to watch LG channels. So from here you need to go to search button at the top, and you need to type in LG. So here you just need to type in LG. So you need to install LG channels application. Just tap on LG channels. So you need to install the first one, LG channels. It is free of cost. You also can install it free. Just tap on install button to install it. Click on launch. Click on start. So you can see all the channels are now working fine. You can change the channels as well from your TV. So I hope friends now you will be able to do it. In case you find this video helpful, just hit on the like button. Also subscribe my channel for upcoming videos.